All right, guys, so this is the build progress update for May 12th. So last week we got drywall started on Tuesday, and then we got the taping and mudding of drywall started this weekend on one of the houses. Tomorrow we'll finish up hanging the drywall on the other house. By the end of this upcoming week, we should have drywall completely finished and ready to paint. So this upcoming week on Monday, we're going to have siding material delivered. By Wednesday, we'll have siding started. On Friday, we have another delivery coming as far as trim, base trim and door casing, doors, interior doors, and kitchen cabinets. So all of that will be delivered Friday. Hopefully by Friday, we are either done with drywall, completely sanded, done, ready for paint, or they're finishing it up and they can kind of work around that. I'm hoping they're done, but in either case, we'll get drywall done by the end of the week. So if we do have it done by Friday, we'll be painting over the weekend, over the upcoming weekend. So that'll be awesome if we can get to that point. And then the following week will be all about trim, interior doors, flooring, kitchen cabinets. All of that will be done the following week. So it'll start to look and shape into being a home. So excited for this upcoming week. If you enjoy home flipping tips, if you enjoy step-by-step new construction, give X Home Builds a follow. Until next time.